मेरा नाम हिमांशु राजपूत है और मैं बिजनौर यूपी उत्तर प्रदेश से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मेरे बेटे का नाम अद्विक राजपूत है। उसकी जब वो 6 मंथ का था तभी से उसका जो पेट था हमें थोड़ा टाइट लगता था। तो जो लोकल के हमारे डॉक्टर्स थे और जो रिलेटिव थे सब ने मतलब ये बोला कि ये नॉर्मल है, एज के हिसाब से सारी चीज़ें ठीक हो जाएँगी, आप लोग ज़्यादा परेशान हो रहे हो।
Advik came to me when he was 1 year 9 months old, and the parents they came to me from the Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh, and this child they have found that there is the abdominal distension is increasing for almost 6-7 months of age.
दिल्ली में काफ़ी बड़े-बड़े हॉस्पिटल थे जिनमें हमने दिखाया, मैं नाम डिस्क्लोज़ नहीं करूँगा उनका। बट उनमें से भी कुछ डॉक्टर्स ने ऐसा बोला कि आपके बच्चे को बचाना मतलब लगता नहीं है कि वो बच पाएगा।
They have been to many doctors, multiple investigations were done, and looking at the size of the tumor, everybody told that it's going to be very, very complicated surgery.
उसके बाद में मुझे बीएल के मैक्स डॉक्टर प्रशांत जैन के बारे में मैंने मतलब इंटरनेट पे भी काफ़ी अच्छे से पढ़ा हुआ था और कुछ रिलेटिव्स थे जिनसे उनके बारे में पता लगा। जब डॉक्टर साहब से मैं फर्स्ट टाइम मिला तो जो मैंने एक उम्मीद अपनी मतलब उम्मीद खो दी थी कि मेरा क्योंकि पहला बच्चा था कि ये रहेगा भी साथ में हमारे आगे या नहीं रहेगा, तो वो उम्मीद मेरी मतलब जो ख़त्म सी हो गई थी वो डॉक्टर साहब ने से मिल के मतलब मेरे को बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ।
So before proceeding for the surgery, it was very important for us to understand the anatomy of the tumor. Now, when we did all the investigations and workup, we could find that it was a huge tumor of size almost 15 by 30 centimeters, lying in almost whole and occupying almost whole of the abdomen of the child. And a major challenge was it was also involving the vessels of the child which goes in the leg of the child, which goes in the lower limb of the child. So not only the tumor needs to be removed completely, but also we have to take care of these vessels, that those vessels should not get injured, because if those vessels get injured, the child may lose the leg also. So that was the main challenge for us. So we explained the parents, we counseled the parents that it's very complex tumor, the surgery is going to be very challenging, very tricky. There will be risk of blood loss also, and there is a risk of injury to the limb also. The parents were very cooperative, and they understood the problem of the child, and they gave the consent for the surgery. We took the child for surgery. We took almost 6 hours of the surgery was required. The major challenge was the removal of the large tumors which was involving the vessels going in the lower limb. So not only the removal of the tumor was important, but also to save those vessels was important. But gradually we did the dissection, very gently we did the dissection. We were able to save the vessels. One of the vessels which was involved, we have to cut it and again reanastomose it to maintain the blood supply of that of the limb. So fortunately, we were able to remove the tumor completely without leaving any residual tumor, and child tolerated the surgery well, anesthesia well. He was shifted in the ICU, and the blood loss was almost around 150 to 200 ml, and we could able to remove the tumor almost more than 1.5 kgs.
सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से हुआ, काफ़ी कुछ मतलब अब रिकवरी भी बहुत अच्छे से बेटे की हो रही है और इसके लिए मतलब डॉक्टर प्रशांत जैन जी का बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद और साथ में डॉक्टर आशीष जी का बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद।